Does making video content feel scary to you? Well, here are some quick tips to help you get over the hump. The first one is know that your video probably will suck. In fact, if you start making videos and you look back and you don't cringe seeing your old hair, your old style, then you haven't done enough video. I try not to look back because when I do, whew. Now, the second thing you have to know is that the way you look on video is probably the way you look in real life, depending on filters. And that's okay, because people love you just exactly how you are. The only person who would ever tell you that you are too old, too fat, too ugly, too stupid, don't sound good, don't know what you're saying, don't have the right equipment, the only person who says that ugly stuff to you is you. Internet trolls don't count, and in fact, best advice I ever received, don't feed the trolls. Now, here's another way to think about creating video content that's not scary. Talk about something you're doing or something that you know. You don't have to be a full expert in everything to start making videos, so tell us what you're reading right now. If you want to know how to say things and be a better public speaker, read Chuck Swindoll's book, Saying It Well. It's amazing. I've read this so many times in my life. Plus, I love Pastor Swindoll. He's amazing. And then tell us what you're reading for your business life. I'm reading Superfans by Pat Flynn so that I can think about what my excellence level should look like with my clients and customers. That's it. Tell us what you're reading, get over yourself, and just get it done. I'll tell you my last super secret tip. Never go back and watch it after you record it. Hit record, say what you gotta say, stop recording, and post it. Pretty sure your friends and family will love it. Now, if this tip gave you a little bit of juice and excitement and you want some free content ideas, make sure you click on this link to go to 𝘠𝘠brown.com/resources and pull down your own content idea guide. I'm glad to help. And if you want more tools than that, check out Leigh Brown University. All those online modules will help get you started foundationally to build a business you can survive on. I'll see you next time.